There's a strange moment that hits when your money just stops working. You try to send something, processing. You try to trade, market closed. You try to move your own assets, and the system quietly says, come back on Monday. Most people treat this as normal. But if you work in finance or crypto, you know that it's not the assets holding you back. It's the financial infrastructure underneath them. And that's why tokenization became such a big idea, because we needed better ways to utilize the assets that we already trust, whether it's stocks, treasuries, dollars, or credit. Now, tokenization promises instant movement, global access, and programmable finance. But the moment you try to do it at scale, you run into real blockages like data availability, predictable settlements, compliance, and liquidity. RWAs usually fail because the underlying blockchain infra isn't built for them. Did you just say that RWAs have failed? Yeah, but who are you? Well, I'm just a CT observer here to tell you that RWAs have not failed because Mantle stepped in. Mantle is a modular Ethereum Layer 2 built for institutional grade finance. Its architecture solves the exact constraints RWAs struggle with. First, Mantle provides the modular execution so that high volume assets don't congest the chain. Second, it supports EigenDAO for massive data throughput. Third, zero knowledge or ZK validity settlements to reduce withdrawal times from days to hours. And most importantly, regulated custody and insurance rails through partners like Anchorage, Backed, and DFSA approved providers. And Mantle has something most chains don't: a direct connection to Bybit as a distribution and liquidity partner. For users like you and me, it means that tokenized equities like NVDX or AppleX can move from exchange custody to on-chain applications. It also means that assets like USDY, QCDT, and USDE become usable inside DeFi immediately. Also, it provides a frictionless path between traditional liquidity and on-chain utility. And if you are wondering that why it makes sense for RWAs, let me be clearly honest. By moving on-chain, RWAs are escaping bottlenecks like T+2 settlement, weekend freezes, incompatible brokers, and outdated rails. The RWA boom is about building the first ecosystem where real finance finally works the way it should. And Mantle is one of the few networks engineered for that future.